In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make an appear and disappear animation in Microsoft PowerPoint like this. So if you want to be an expert in making such a wonderful video, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, go to blank slide, go to design, go to format background, go to gradient fill, insert a gradient fill color from here. Now I have to add some shapes, or I can easily add a map. So where I can find a map like this one, I can easily go to freepik.com, and if I search on map, you will see this kind of map. I will give this link in the video description. You can easily download this map from here, or you can easily use some shapes to make appear and disappear animation. So if I click on download, a zip file will be downloaded. Here you will see a zip file. I will make it unzip, and here you will find a folder Gray World Map. Here you will see a file named EPS format. So I have to convert it to insert into PowerPoint. Let me go to Cloud Convert, go to select a file, click this file, click on open. Then click on here, go to vector, click on EMF, and let me convert it. So here I have to download the EMF file, click on it, and our EMF file has been downloaded. In the download folder you will find this file. Let me drag it and drop it over here. Let me resize it and place it like this. Now click on Ctrl A to select all of the shapes. Click on right button, go to group, click on ungroup and click on yes. Again click on this one, click on group, click on ungroup. Now select this area and click on Ctrl G to group them together, and it will be grouped like this. Now select this area and press Ctrl G to group them together. Now it will look like this. Let me select on this group and this group and press Ctrl C to copy and press Ctrl V to paste and place on exactly over there. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape over here and drag it over here like this. And again go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box over here and drag it over here like this. Left, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this. Right, click on this shape and go to format painter and click on this shape format. Change the shape fill, change this color and click on home. Go to format painter and click on over here and paste it exactly over that shape. Now go to home, go to select, go to selection pane. Here you will find the rectangle, this rectangle. Click on it and click on and right, click on right and click on this rectangle, right, left. Now select this shape, go to animation, click on add animation, click on appear, trigger on click of left. Again click on this animation, go to add animation, click on disappear, trigger on click of left. Now select this one, go to add animation, click on appear, trigger on click of right. Click on this shape, go to add animation, click on disappear, trigger on click of right. So if I want to watch the slideshow here, click on left, the map will be appeared here. Click on this one and the map will be appeared here. So hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.